Hello, 2020 user. Thank you for accessing this training tutorial for Omega Cabinetry. This brief video will show you how to add a prep for wall hung modification. In your most recent cabinet catalog, right-click on the cabinet you want to add the modification to and go to Attributes. When that attribute screen pops up, click on the Add-ons tab, Bath Modifications, then Base Modifications, and then Cabinet Modifications. You'll see the Prep for Wall Hung modification. We're going to click on that and you'll see it did remove the toe space area and the cabinet is now Prep for Wall Hung cabinet. So you do have a good visual of this. Hit Apply and OK, and you're ready to move on to your next cabinet. Thank you for your time, and we hope this video was helpful. Please find other videos like this in our collection, and be sure to let us know if there are other 2020 learning topics you would like to see demonstrated in this way. Happy designing!